Setting of the conductivity meter. We now see how to set alerts for minimum and maximum conductivity on the conductivity meter. Let's imagine that we work with a minimum conductivity alert at 10 microsiemens. Below 10 microsiemens, the alarm must sound. And 160 microsiemens as maximum, that is, above 160, the alarm must sound. Between 10 and 160, the values are OK. Keep Enter pressed for 5 seconds. Password appears. Press Enter. Setup appears. Press Enter. Set point appears. Press Enter. Press Ask and set the shut-off of the alert, pressing the down arrow until it reaches 10. Press Enter to confirm. Set point saved appears. Press Enter. Press Ask to set the alert by pressing the down arrow until it reaches 9. Press Enter to confirm. Set point saved appears. The minimum points were set. Let's set the maximum points. Press the down arrow. Set point out to appears. Press Enter. Press Ask to set the maximum points by pressing the up arrow so that 160 is set. Press Enter. Set point saved appears. Press the down arrow. Set point out to appears. Press Enter. Press Ask twice. Press the down arrow. Set the minimum points, that is 159. Press Enter. Set point saved appears. Press Ask 3 times to exit the program.